Hi all, I am very excited to travel on the one and only Cordelia Cruises. We will travel from Chennai to Cochin and will be on board the ship for 3 days. We have booked a mini suite room with balcony on the 8th deck. So let us go on and get into the ship without further delays. We enter the ship through that red carpet and onto the second deck. We can take the lift from there to reach the deck where our room is present. We got down on the 8th deck where our room is present. The room 8686 we booked is at the back end of the ship. Now we are somewhere nearby the front end of the ship. So we need to walk all the way towards the back end of the ship to reach our room. In order to open the room, you need to use this key card which you will get during the check-in process before you enter the ship. This card also acts as your means to recharge and hold the USD. All the transactions on board are in USD. You can load USD in this card at the 5th deck reception. Let us say if the conversion rate is 80 and if you swipe your debit or credit card for 4000 Indian rupees, then 50 USD will be loaded onto this card. You can swipe this card wherever required to use this USD. Let me show you one more room type, which is the ocean view room. It basically has a glass window with ocean view which cannot be opened. It also can accommodate up to 4 people as it has 2 bunk beds. Bathroom is more or less similar to that of the mini suite room. What you see here is a very important notice called activity sheet. You will get this delivered to your room every day by 9 pm. It will list out all the activities that will happen the next day. It will also have details like where your meals are scheduled, highlights of the next day, and which activities are paid ones. Let me also show you 3 happening venues and a glimpse of the performance we witnessed. First one is the Chairman's Club on 5th deck, where the music keeps on flowing through live performances. Second venue is Connections, where we enjoyed the magic show of Mr. Tejas, who is a very famous magician and mentalist. So Tejas showed us a lot of mentalist and card tricks which were awesome. I will just show you an introduction to Tejas which was presented to us. And third venue is the Marquee Theatre, where all the dance performances and skits happen. So I will end this video with a thrilling dance performance we enjoyed here. Also do watch out for my videos covering each deck of the ship and the food spread. Thanks a lot for watching.
जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे भाग डोर छोड़ नाचो की जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो हाँ जा छोड़े हाँ जा गोरे नाचो नाचो नाचो
you found this video helpful by any means, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Also let me know your thoughts on it in the comments, and do watch my other videos. Thanks a lot for the support.